Why use descriptive research design? A descriptive approach to research allows researchers to thoroughly investigate the background of a research problem before further research can be carried out. It can be used in social science research to explore and document the nature and scope of problem, to identify trends and patterns, and to provide a basis for subsequent research. The findings of descriptive research can help make informed decision making or policy development and program planning. There are many different contexts in which the use of descriptive research design is beneficial. Here are some important uses of descriptive research design that we'll look into deeply. First, to measure data trends. The descriptive method of research can be used to measure changes in variables over a period of time, allowing trends to identify and analyze. To compare variables, descriptive research can be used to compare different variables and how different demographics respond to different variables. To define the characteristics of subjects, it can also be used to determine the different characteristics of the subject. This can include characteristics such as opinions, traits, behavior, etc. To verify and validate existing condition. Descriptive research can prove to be a useful tool when trying to test the validity of the existing condition, as it involves conducting an in-depth analysis of every variable before drawing conclusion. A descriptive research study is a type of observational research and is used for exploring and documenting the nature or scope of problem, identifying its trend and pattern, and providing a basis for subsequent. The outcome of descriptive is helpful in making decisions and developing policies. So, why is descriptive research design used? We'll summarize that. Descriptive research design can be used for a variety of reasons. That could be to describe a document or phenomena of a particular population, to identify pattern and trends, to generate hypotheses for further research, and to inform decision making and policy development. Here we end the topic. Before we end the topic, we'll talk about some key takeaways. So we have understood what is descriptive research and with various examples, but some other research problems and research questions that can lead to descriptive researches are that you have to frame the question in a manner that you get the correct outcome or a result. So market researchers want to observe the habits of the consumers. Just whatever key takeaways I'm talking about, please relate those takeaways with the examples that we have discussed in this session. So the researchers want to observe the habits of customers or consumers if they want to launch a food product, or if they want to study the behavior of consumers in regards to buying a specific brand. To understand the brand recognition or brand image in the market. A company wants to evaluate the morale of its staff. So probably there could be a research conducted on the happiness or the strengths or the weaknesses of the company, and the questions of the researchers should revolve around this goal. A school district wants to understand if students will access online lessons rather than textbook. We already studied or we already discussed this example. To understand if it is wellness questionnaire programs enhance overall health of the employees. So there are several types of questions that can be drafted to find out your outcomes. So what is important here before I end the session is understand the objective, understand this objective, uh, what will be the result of this objective, and basis on that, analyze what kind of data collection method you will be using further and how this will be helping you. I end this topic here. Thank you for your patience.